Welcome back to Car Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Strider pickup truck, a vehicle that promises to redefine what a modern pickup can be. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about design. The Strider 2025 features a perfect blend of functionality and style. This truck is tough enough for work but sleek enough to turn heads on city streets. The aggressive front grille, paired with its sharp LED headlights, gives it a bold, unmistakable presence. On the sides, you've got clean body lines and muscular wheel arches that house 20-inch all-terrain tires, making it equally at home on highways or off-road trails. Around the back, Strider has introduced a powered tailgate with a multifunctional design. It doubles as a step and a workstation, perfect for those long days on the job or weekend DIY projects. The truck bed is lined with a durable, weather-resistant coating and even features built-in LED lighting and multiple tie-down points for added convenience. Moving inside, the Strider 2025 is all about comfort and technology. The cabin feels premium, with soft-touch materials, leather-trimmed seats, and a clean, minimalist dashboard. But what really stands out is the massive 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which runs Strider's latest user interface. It's responsive, intuitive, and comes loaded with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. You've also got a fully digital instrument cluster that's customizable, giving you all the info you need at a glance. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, with controls for everything from cruise settings to voice commands, keeping you connected without taking your hands off the wheel. Under the hood, the Strider 2025 offers two engine options. The base model comes with a 2.7L turbocharged inline-4, delivering an impressive 310 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. For those who need more power, there's a 3.5L V6 hybrid option that bumps up the performance while still offering great fuel efficiency. Both engines are paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, and the truck comes standard with rear-wheel drive, with an option for all-wheel drive for those who need extra grip. Thanks to its adaptive suspension, the Strider handles beautifully on and off the road. Whether you're navigating tight urban streets or tackling rocky trails, this truck offers a smooth, controlled ride. So, is the 2025 Strider worth your hard-earned money? If you're looking for a pickup that combines cutting-edge tech, rugged capability, and premium comfort, this truck checks all the boxes. Starting at just under $45,000, it's competitively priced for everything it offers. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 Strider? Would you pick one up? Thanks for watching Car Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.